Okay, so I've recently replaced the stock 4300K HID bulbs with new PIAA HID bulbs that are at 6000K, and this is the first time I'm turning them on in the dark, so I expect the light to start off a little bit blue just immediately after the bulbs are ignited, and then the beam color should become more and more white as the bulbs heat up and the salts inside evaporate to fill the chamber. So let's go ahead and do that now. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it only took a few seconds to change from blue to white. It's actually still a little bluish, but the camera doesn't pick it up because of the white balance. But from what I can see, it's still quite bluish, and it is getting brighter and brighter. Okay,